It looks like it fits up really nice.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the corner, this ain't a persona.
I have a Chevy Impala theft job. It's been a while since I've done one of these. I've done tons of them back in the day. This used to be a real common way people would try to break into these cars years ago, but it's been a while because this body saw hasn't been around for a while. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start working this door skin back into shape, and I'll have to weld up where it's split right there and get the door handle and everything fitting correctly. So I was just double checking the fitment of this door handle. It looks like it fits up really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it back out, and I'm gonna do one more thin coat of these over this, and it will be ready for primer. I have a Nissan Frontier here. This one got popped in this left front corner, crushed all right here, and that's how that piece comes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a quick pull on this. I'm going to drill a hole and make a quick pull on this old part, and then once I get it roughly pulled out, I'll go ahead and start cutting this guy off. So I got this one all cut apart. I wasn't sure, there's a factory seam right here with a few welds, and I wasn't sure if I'd be able to separate it right there and be able to fish piece out, but it turns out I could. So I'm going to drill out these few welds right here and separate these two pieces and put it in at the factory seam right at this joint right here. So I'm going to do a few comparison measurements just to start with, to see exactly where this is sitting. And according to this, it looks like I'm going to take that bolt loose and shift this out just a hair. It won't take much. That moved easy. Might have moved it too much. Really close. Perfect. So I'm just roughly holding this radiator support up here to make sure all these holes line up. It looks like they're all lining up perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this piece all welded in.